Okay, welcome guys. Welcome once again to my channel in Forex here. So normally I tell my students that whenever you see a very big push, let's say a big push up or a big push down, a candle or two moving very fast, covering many pips up or down, it's giving you a sign that immediately it closes and shows a reversal. It's going opposite direction and you can catch some figures there. So let's try and see that one. So whenever you see a very long pip like this, a long candle like this, a long candle being formed, immediately it closes, there's going to be a reversal. So let's see. So now these candles showed a very big push, right? Maybe it was a news or something, but a very big push. So I advise my students always go post news, don't trade during news. When the news ends, you just enter opposite direction and you get some few pips there. Okay. So let's see this one too. So these candles showed a very big push, bearish movement down. So when you see this bearish movement moving down, just wait for it to close. And when it closes, see it shows some signal of a reversal here. When you see that signal of a reversal, then you can start entering. Is that okay? So you see this move down, then it showed this doji sign, right? This dragonfly doji showing that it's going up. Yeah, that one. Yeah, it's a doji. So it shows a reversal sign of yes, a reversal sign. So when you see this reversal sign, what you do is enter the market. Always back to back. So that is it. So you see this reversal, just go some buy because it's first keep bearish, right? So you put a buy, put your stop loss somewhere here, and then you put your TP. Mostly I put it somewhere here. I don't normally try to put it somewhere up because sometimes it doesn't go full up, right? From experience. So I put somewhere here. My TP is it. Let's see another one. Another big push. You see it pushed down side. You see it didn't immediately reverse, so it was still pushing down, right? So once you see it's still pushing down and it's not showing any sign of reversal, any hammer or doji, something like that. So you see this one is showing a reversal here. You see that? So this one didn't show reversal. This showing a reversal, a marubuzi, and like a double flat bottom, like double bottom, something like that. So when you see this being formed, you can now enter the market, right? Okay, so at this point I would rather prefer this hammer showing here. So why not? I'll just come here and put my entry there. My entry and then boom, my TP is set. Same thing. I don't put it up. You see, it won't come. Normally I will choose this side, this entry, and let's see if it will hit my TP. You see, hit my TP. Always back to back. When you see a very big movement to the market, you wait for a reversal sign and then enter the market. So this place too, you saw a very big push here, and then here you saw this sign, this candle showing a reversal. Whenever you see a very big candle and a very small one just beside it, it shows a reversal sign, right? A reversal sign. So when you see this candle for me here, then I'll enter immediately. So I just can pick and I'll enter here, put my stop loss below it, and that is it. I don't go not full up somewhere here. So I'll just put my entry somewhere here, and that is it. My TP is hit. Is that okay? That is how we go. Let's go at another one. So another full. You can even sit down, relax, and wait for a big movement. Like those Marubuzi candles, a very big movement. Whenever you see it, like big push, wait for a signal for a reversal. This signals flat bottom, right? It shows a teaser bottom. Sorry, it shows a reversal. Immediately you see it now. Don't wait for long. Just put your entry the next, and then your stop loss below it here, and then not full high somewhere here. It's okay. Another TP set. So all the time, back to back, you always do that. A big push. This not that big. It's okay. Let's use this one. This one another big push. So same thing. This shows a reversal. Just don't think far. Just come and simply put your entry here, your stop loss below this, and then somewhere here. You're okay. Yes, and then let's see if we hit that TP. And that TP hit. All the time, back to back. It always repeat itself. The market always repeats itself. I always tell my students. So this one is a very big push. You see, this one showed double bottom here and it went up, right? So this candle shows a reversal sign, but don't rush when you see this candle. You relax for some time. I'll prefer you go down to the lower time frame when you see this being formed. So let's go lower time frame. What happened here? Let me put this right around here again. Lower time frame. Let's go 5 minutes and see. Okay, where is it? 5 minutes. Let's see where it went. Okay, so you see here. Good. All right. So here, back to back all the time. We get the TP hits all the time. So you see this. Good. Whenever you see such a long movement, you come down before you enter. So down here you can see it's came a long push. Of course, I always say whenever you see a very long push, relax, let it close and show a sign of reversal and then enter. Right. So I have this indicator which shows this showing a reversal. So this reversal showing a bullish reversal. So I just relax and then put my entry. Same thing. Don't think and don't stress yourself. Just simply put your entry there in somewhere, TP here, and hits all the time back to back. You can also try and analyze further if you want to analyze further. You can go the long way, just play a trend line and show a trend line here, a trend line here, another one here, another one here. Yes, so once it breaks, you just enter. The same thing. So for you to go through this long process of putting trend lines here and there, just relax and chill and just wait for a long push, and that is it. You are good to go. Is that okay? Yes, and it always repeats itself back to back. Where other ones I think you can find some again. So just relax and just chill. And whenever you see a long push, as I said, just come down here. You see the reversal sign here, just enter there immediately, and then your stop loss below this, and that is it. Back to back, you hit your TP hits always back to back. TP hits. Is that okay? Don't stress yourself and learn too much. The more you learn, the more you don't know. The more you try and learn more, the more you get confused and things mess up in your mind. Is that okay? So don't stress yourself and go learn anything more, just some few things, and then you're able to go. Another big push, once you close, it shows a reversal sign here. Put your entry here. Put your entry here, and then your TP below this, and then your SL below here, and your TP always back to back. TP always hits back to back. Don't stress yourself. Just relax small. Just come here. When you see a very long push, just come in. That is how we always do it. Just all the time, just come, and that is how I do my trading, right? So that is King Forex here, making trading very simple to everybody who wants to trade. Yeah, with God first. Always put the God factor first. You should go to church and worship God, and then always back to back. You always get profit because you are not alone. You have somebody behind us, somebody in front of us, somebody leading us, giving us the mindset, the brain. Yes, that is how we trade here with King Forex. Subscribe and keep seeing amazing content like this. Thank you. Bye.